Okay. Hello everyone.
Bit of a foot wave there. Hi.
Hey, so Nikki, Ashley.
Hello, and Ajay, Rajani.
Great to just connect with you on this frequency, on this wavelength. Yeah, we've just been here in the sun, talking, weaving, breathing, dreaming,
Moving, dancing a little silent practice here in Vauxhall, near where we both teach Ecstatic Soul Sessions, which are coming up again very, very soon. Next Saturday, the 7th of July, St. Peter's Church. And here's another little video for you, just so you can see who we are if you've never met us before. And we're completely improvising this as usual.
Yeah. So next Saturday, yeah, Nikki, as Nikki said, the Ecstatic Soul Sessions. Just want to drop in a theme that we're kind of putting together, which is
emptying, releasing, emptying into the dance. Yeah.
So that, you know, there's so much stuff going on in the world. There's so much stuff going on in our lives, and it's the middle of the year.
Yeah.
And it's a great time to kind of almost reset and, you know, let go and empty out.
Declutter.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think also this time of year we've got the longer nights as well. There's more time to do stuff, you know. So the Ecstatic Soul Sessions are all about undoing, really. Let's undo. Let's just let go of all of that and empty ourselves out into the dance, so that we're a little bit more full of a bit more breath, a bit more space, a bit more lightness, perhaps. Yes. Yeah,
really coming back to our body, really coming back to our breath, and just, you know, simplifying, using the dance to release, to let go, but also to come back to our body, come back to our breath. We're really excited, really looking forward to it. It's 5 hours, daytime, lots of beautiful light. Next Saturday, 12 till 5, right?
12 till 5, St. Peter's Church. We'll post a little thing about the details of please come. You know, it's such a beautiful time to dance, and then we have the whole evening then to hopefully be with whatever we've kind of created for ourselves in. And these sessions are called Ecstatic Soul, and you know, they're as much about really this, you know, what is ecstasy? It's so individual, you know, it's so much about that it can be this amazing, massive kind of cathartic, embodied movement. It can also be that much.
Yeah.
So it's just about a day of being present to exploring where we can go.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Please come on, please book on. If many of you have come and done this before. Some of you have never danced for an extended period of time. This is the perfect opportunity to do that. Come on board, get in touch, let's dance.
Let's dance.
All right.